What's going on, guys? Quick update before we start the video on those mirrors. I found out they're 2000 legacy mirrors. They are not SG. But if you still want them, let me know on the comment section down below or my Instagram. But yeah, let's start the video. So I have already prepped these two mirrors. I took off the screws. See, the two screws are missing. I just left the one screw just to for the beginning of the video. So let's take off the SF mirrors. And I already pre-drilled the hole where I'm going to feed the wires. So we're going to take the three screws off, pull the base off, make sure you drill the hole where you're going to put the wires through. And I was happy that there is a hole in there, so you don't have to take the actual mirrors off. So the SF part is done. So just to go over everything, take off the three screws, pull it back, drill your hole where the wires are going to go through. And oh, also I have made a hole in here where the wires are going to go through the base, so it connects behind or inside the door panels. So there's a hole right there, so it's going to go cover. It's going to go cover, shoot the wires through here, and feed the wires through here, and you have the wires hanging. Okay, so that's the part is done. And if you have the covers, or if you have some SG mirrors with the covers on them, you're gonna have to heat up the whole entire cover, get the glue behind it really soft. There are only 4 double stick tape behind them, as you can see the positions. Do not pry, do not do any kind of anything, because it's gonna break. So heat them up and start pulling this way. Start from the back and pull this way. Do not stick anything in there. Do not put any screwdrivers and pry it. That's just something waiting to happen. Okay. And then for the bottom, take off the 3 screws. Okay, all the screws are gone. Pull the wires back. And all the wires that you need is this black one. The ones with 2 wires, because that's the positive and the negative connecting to the covers. So you're gonna have to, if you want, you can depin these. Let's see, looks like I can depin them. But honestly, since I'm in a hurry and it's really late already, we're gonna cut it. So leave a lot of slack right here so you can do all the feeding through, and then leave some slack on this side so you can solder the wires back. Pull the wire out. Be better if you depin it, but for me it doesn't matter. You take out your cover. You take out this sleeve right here because it's not going to go through. If you don't care about the SG mirrors, you can pop this mirror off and feed everything, but I honestly feel like it's just easier to pull the wires. I might resell them if someone wants to buy them.
He needs some milk!
Okay, I quit. I'll do this the easy way. Well, easy way for me. We're gonna cut it right here. And do that. It was stuck because it had a lot of glue. You can see all the glue. It gave me a hard time. All I gotta do is just resolder that, connect it really good. So you can put this back together and sell it. It's still good. The bad thing is you'll just have a hole right there, but they can put body filler, sand it down, and paint it. So I have SG mirrors if someone is interested. If not, you can just throw it away. The next thing is to double stick the covers. Alright, so you got everything in your new double stick tape. We're gonna feed the wires into the hole. So make sure you clean everything out on your SF model mirrors. Yeah, I gotta make sure all these wires is pulled nicely. I probably didn't make the hole big enough, but that's okay. All right, now it's time to marry the husband and bride. Squeeze it in, put all the pressure, go around the lights. Remember where you put the tape. It's off a tiny bit just because of the tape, but you can push it down and it makes it flat again. So there you go. And it goes with the body line of the mirror. Hopefully, let's see. See if I can pull some more wire out. Probably not. But there you have it. Now, gotta put everything back together. So this might be enough slack to go through the base. And there you have it, guys. There is your SF ESAM mirrors. And then I haven't done the wiring yet, so I'll figure out the wiring once it's done. Zoom back out. There you go, there you go. Once these LEDs blow out, I think I'm gonna do a solid LED strip. Probably 2 of them. Switch back. You know me, custom headlight guy. So, or we can probably do some animation going on here. Make some custom boards. We'll see once those LEDs go out. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, it's pretty straightforward. You would, after that, you would just reconnect these wires that you cut earlier. And where did I put that plug? I don't know where I put the plug at. Ah, here you go. The plug. So you gotta reconnect all these wires. Reconnect this to the mirror, and you have your full harness. And then I'll get back to you guys when I figure out the wiring for them. But you now have new rare SF ESAM mirrors. Yeah, so if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. If you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe, because we have a lot of work to do on my build. Yeah.
Bye, have a great time.
Perfect.